Mimi. Have you got nothing better to do, Judith, than waste your time on other people like me? I mean, I must fascinate you to be constantly having a go at me.
I'm not having a go at you. Just came out to see.
You're mocking me about camping. I'm not camping. Obviously, I'm living in my house, in case you hadn't noticed. But anyway, but
Nice hat.
It isn't a nice hat. It's actually my cheap one. Ah, good. Yes, well, that's all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for your problems.
Oh, good.
Yes, well, I've had enough of your problems.
Oh, really?
Well, you seem to have a lot of them.
No.
Oh, could I have my kitchenware back? I want to give it back to the charity. Well, the stuff I lent you, you know. Ça va.